All right, everybody. Welcome back, welcome back. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy Raging Cajuns. Look, got another one for you today. Wasn't going to record today, but come into Harbor Freight and seen something missing out of the aisle. I will walk back over there right quick and I will show you. So we'll get this turned around and we'll be right back with you. But as y'all can see, something is missing. They got the 44 still, Series 2 still in stock, but the 56 is gone. No floor model at all. Still got all the other boxes. We'll do this shake test with the 44. Uh-huh. 44 is not a bad buy. Not a bad buy box. But yeah, it's gone. 56 inch is gone. The Series 2. There's all your extra adds, additions you can put on your boxes. Thought about getting one of these again to put like nuts, bolts, and stuff like that in it, just for a hardware box. So that might be in the making. Of course, there's a 72 Series 3. Still a good buy in my opinion, if you need that big box like that. Extend that drawer all the way out, it doesn't shake. So, and you're pretty much flush with the surface. Of course, you got your icon. Hell Aces deep. But as you can see, when you shake that drawer like that, see how the slides go in and out? That's the main cause for that. It's a small drawer and an icon. Side locker for the icon. Got 4 drawers down there with 3 shelves. And you got your screwdriver holders over here. You got your other type of holder there. You got some pass-throughs back there. And you can put this on either side, so either left or right. It fits the 56 inch 73 systems. And then you fix that. Available in 4 different colors. As you can see, green, blue, red, and black. 73 inch roller cabinet is $29.99. The work center hutch area is $7.99. That is the 56. The 73 work center is $9.99. 28 inch end cabinet is $13.99. 22 inch professional end cabinet, $8.99 in red. That is that booger right there. A 56 inch professional top chest in red for $12.99. If you didn't want the hutch, you can get the top chest. $17.99 for the 73. $4.99 for the top locker up here. As you can see, it's also got pass-through, so you can put like charging systems in here or whatever you want to put in there. If you want to put a light in there, you can. $649 for the 73-inch overhead cabinets. $229 for the 56 and $299 for the 73-inch stainless top. And extra keys. $39.99 for a 15-piece set. $19.99 for a 6-piece set. And then you got your work center light bar for $99. That's all for that. Let's see if it says where this stuff is. So we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, got another one for you. It is the surface conditioner tool. It's the 9-amp. I think it's a 9-amp, right? Yeah, 9-amp. Right now they got it on sale for $119 if you're inside Track Club, or $149 for regular price. It is the corded. Does go with 1,3700 RPMs. Does have a 4-inch drum diameter, 6-speed control, and lock on trigger. I really am considering getting this. Alright guys, what is one thing that people really never gripe about at Harbor Freight? Yeah, that's right. Hardly ever hear anybody gripe about these. The magnetic part holder trays. These things you can get away with buying pretty much anywhere, and they are right on for the money. I do have, I think, 2 of these, several of these, all different sizes. You do have the silicone parts trays. That one's $17.99. Does come in blue. You got the, of course, that is the medium. You got the small silicone parts tray for $12.99. And I don't see any of the large ones. They're usually right here, but they are, looks like they are sold out. Those are $27.99. And then you got wheel chocks. Remember, if you're taking the drive shaft apart, always chalk your wheels. You can't really go wrong for $7.99 for their wheel chocks. They got the smaller ones, then they got the much bigger ones. With the eye bolt, you can put it on a chain for $15.99. You can chain to it. But really can't go wrong with that stuff, right? Right. Of course, you got your 15-pound telescoping magnetic pickup tool for, if you're, it's regular $4.99, but if you got Inside Track Club, it's $2.99. So they say this is 15 pounds. They're saying this one's stronger than the Snap-on or the Mat or Mac or Matco. Yeah, I highly doubt that one. But nonetheless, we'll be right back with you if I find something else. All right, I do have the JD Tico 11-inch long reach diagonal cutters. I wonder if these are just as good as the JD Tico. Probably not, but for $6.99 for 11-inch diagonal cutter, I might be willing to find out for you guys. Of course, this one is made in China. Or is there another brand, another one up here that I can get for around the $6.99 range? Probably not. Of course, you got your much smaller 6-inch diagonal cutters right here. Max jaw opening is 3/4. Then you got the 3/4. Same thing for the 11-inch. You got your 45-degree bent nose. You got your 90-degree bent nose. And then those are both 11 inches. So we'll get this pair of pliers and we'll give them a run. See how strong they are. If they break, they got a lifetime warranty. Part number 64086. So you can always bring them back to Harbor Freight and exchange them out. But we're going to look up here in the Doyle and see how much their stuff is. See if I can find something similar to this. And we'll give it a test run. Nope, nothing in Doyle. In the Quinn? Nope, nothing in the Quinn. Not even in the Icon line. Do I see anything similar to this? Of course, you got your 8-inch Doyle bolt wire cutters. I do have a set of Tekton like this. I wonder if they're anything comparable to the Tekton. Of course, made in China. So we'll get these also. I mean, for $7.99, really can't go wrong. And they do have, I think the Doyle products are backed by their lifetime warranty. Nonetheless, we'll get these two. I do have the Tekton on the truck. Similar to this set. We'll give them a run. I don't have my JTCO long diagonal cutters like this, but we'll give these a run too. But I do believe that is going to mark the end of this video for today. Remember, if y'all think I should buy something like this for nuts and bolts, top and bottom, leave it down in the comments below and we'll see if we can make that happen in the future. But if you like this video and you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ring that bell, turn on all notifications for future videos and all my live streams coming up. And while you're down there, Hulk smash that like button. But until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning, your beards grinning, and the raging cage will catch you on the next one. Peace.